The MARZ project is a free digital art studio for youth at the Ink People Center for the Arts.
We connect creative teens with the tools to make their own media in the Media and Arts Resource Zone. Students who become media crew members will work with our professional staff to get real job training in digital media production. This way, they learn to meet real-world production values and deadlines.
Our goal at MARZ is to send our students out into the world with solid skills to do work that inspires them. Grants, media crew projects, and dance parties are the ways that we keep the program alive and free. Most of our students wouldn't be able to come here if we were forced to charge them.
In the near future, the MARZ project will be moving to a new space in the Jefferson Project Community Center.
This would be the perfect chance to make an inviting, new, creative environment for local youth. But there's just one problem.
Our equipment is so out of date. So this is our recording studio here at MARZ, where I teach music lessons and audio engineering. We try to produce the best quality media that we can in here, but we're limited by our prosumer grade hand-me-down equipment.
We have a couple with sweet old cameras, as in we can't do the high-def, widescreen projects people expect these days.
In fact, our little old cameras don't quite fill the screen unless we enlarge the clip.
They have a widescreen setting, but it looks like this.
And our computers are so old, they can't be updated anymore and don't recognize or output lots of file types currently used in media production.
Music gear. If we turn up the volume moderately, the interface starts to screech.
Here's our best, actually only mic.
We have to borrow a PA every time we have a musical event.
Despite the limitations of our gear, our students learn real-world skills producing print, video, and radio projects for a variety of organizations. As they take on the challenges of each unique project, they learn to problem solve and they engage with the community in positive ways. Some of our media crew members have gone on to work in television, doing graphic design at the local newspaper, and starting their own music ventures. We're incredibly proud of their accomplishments.
In January of 2010, an earthquake bounced us out of our home in the old Muni building, and we've been in a temporary location in an office building ever since. The Northern California Indian Development Council has generously been providing us with space for the last 3 years.
But restoration of their historic building will begin this summer, and it's time for us to move. We're excited to get back to a neighborhood setting at the Jefferson Project, where we can serve the community better. We'll be able to provide music practice space again. We'll be able to make noise in our recording studio. We'll have a performance space for shows and for dances. We'll be able to do analog art projects again, have an outdoor space, create public art on site at the school. We'll be able to connect and collaborate with other nonprofits at the community center. You can help us put the resources back in the Media and Arts Resource Zone.
It's MARZ Production!